Hey guys, welcome to Texture's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Pinterest Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2023 step-by-step tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So, if you're not familiar with Pinterest, this is actually a social media platform where people discover, collect, and share ideas and inspiration through images and videos. So, users can go ahead and create personalized collections called boards and save content they find appealing to these boards. So, whether you're looking for home decor ideas, fashion inspiration, travel destinations, or even recipes, Pinterest serves as a visual bookmarking tool that will help you organize and find content that resonates with your interests. So for you to be able to get started onto using Pinterest, you could do a quick sign up process onto their website. You'll just have to type in your email, add in your password, add in your birth date, and then continue, or you'll have the option to continue with Facebook or continue with Google. So by continuing, you should agree to the Pinterest terms and services and privacy policy. And if you have an account already, you could do a simple login as well, just the same process of typing in your email, password, and if you have forgot your password, just click onto this button, log in, or continue with your Facebook or your Google account. Now, you'll get redirected onto this page once you have successfully logged in. So just a quick overview as well regarding affiliate marketing. So this is a business model where individuals or companies promote products or services offered by others. In return, they earn a commission for driving sales or leads. So it works by partnering with businesses as an affiliate, and you promote their products through various marketing channels such as website, social media, or email. So just like this, here onto Pinterest, you could go ahead and promote some different products, just like the certain dress in here. You could go ahead and promote anything, just like this guitar or this nails or any services that you could offer. So Pinterest is actually one of the platforms where you could go ahead and try to promote some of the products so that you could go ahead and earn a commission for driving sales or leads. So in this Pinterest affiliate marketing, we're gonna go ahead and take you through the process of starting from scratch and making daily commission. You don't need a massive following to succeed, and even beginners can follow the simple steps. So the first thing that you'll need to do just to find the right niche. So before you can start driving free traffic to your affiliate links, you need to find the right niche. To do this, you'll just need to head over to trends.pinterest.com or Pinterest Trends. You could search that onto the local browser. Here you could go ahead and research about different keywords and discover what's currently trending. For example, if you're passionate about gardening, start by typing gardening and check the trending status. Once you find a hot keyword like home inspiration, research it further by searching on Pinterest itself. So as you can see, here are the different keywords that are very famous. So you could filter here by growing trends, top monthly trends, seasonal trends, and many more. So you could also try to choose a date in here. So pick an end date to view trends data for a period leading up to that date. Some interest in here, you could go ahead and try to check the checkbox in here. For example, we want to go ahead and do some designing. We'll click onto that as well as DIY and crafts, and it will go ahead and show up in here. So we have also here some keywords that we could try to choose. You could just type in here. For example, we would like to see some logo design. So we're gonna type in like that, and then you could choose as well the age in here. So there are age groups of people searching for trends. So we could go ahead for 18 to 24, and then gender as well. So we could just leave it unspecified, and then right after it will just adjust immediately. So for our keywords in here, the very first one that we have are pumpkin painting ideas. So you could see the weekly change in here, monthly change, and yearly change, and you could export these values to CSV, or you could go ahead and create a campaign for this. So once you have this further, you could go ahead and copy the certain one that you have, or you could just simply click onto it so that you'll get redirected onto this interest over time. So you could see how often people are searching for a keyword compared to all keyword searches that week. So you could just see the related trends, the demographics, or just a very thorough breakdown onto how this is trending. So you could see popular pins as well that are integrated with that keyword. So here are the pumpkins that we have. And the next thing that you'll need to do to get started your affiliate marketing, once you have these pumpkin painting ideas as your niche, you could go ahead and try to create your Pinterest profile. Now, earlier we've gone ahead and already created an account, but to make your Pinterest profile, you'll just need to go to canva.com. So if you're not familiar with this is a free graphic design tool. So you're gonna go ahead and utilize the create a design in here, click onto that, and we'll search in here Pinterest banner. So this is actually the template that we're gonna use. Now here onto Canva, you could just choose under the different templates, or you could go ahead and start from scratch Using the elements in here, you could try to search and hear the different keywords that we've chosen earlier, such as pumpkins or anything like that, so that you could get some images or some designs for pumpkins. You could also customize it by adding your text in here, adding some brandings, upload a photo that you have already into your account, or you could go ahead and draw onto it as well. So customize it with your account name and a relevant keyword, and download the banner as a PNG file. So for you to be able to download that, you're just gonna go ahead here onto the upper part. There is a share button, and if you click onto that, you could see the download. And just make sure to download the banner as PNG file. Now, once you have your banner and logo ready using Canva, you'll just need to head back onto your Pinterest profile, like onto your own account. Click onto that, and you should be able to see the edit profile in here. Here onto the edit profile, you could go ahead and try to change your photo in here using the logo that you have. And going back, you could also add in a banner using the one that you've created through Canva. Now, the next thing that you could do is content strategy. So you'll just need to head back home to that. You need to find content for your Pinterest account. So you're just gonna go ahead and try to utilize the search bar in here. Try to search for pumpkin in here, pumpkin designs, or anything like that, so that you can go ahead and look for the influencers on other platforms here onto the Pinterest or TikTok or Instagram who post content related to your chosen niche. So you can even find accounts that simply re-upload content from other platform, and the key is to find content that's engaging and resonates with your target audience. So for example, we have this one. You could go ahead and try to click in here and try to see who is the creator of this. You could reach out to them so that you could go ahead and try to create business with them, or you could affiliate their products. Now, the next thing that we could do is to download the images that you want to use for your computer in here. So for example, we want to have this one, or we have already contacted the designer of this and we want to make business with them. You could just go ahead and try to download, go ahead and already save it onto your device. You're just gonna go ahead and head back onto your profile, doing the same thing earlier, and then you'll need to create a pin. So you're just gonna click onto this plus button in here. You could see pin, and then right after, you could go ahead and upload the image in here, add in a title, a description, and also you need to give proper credit onto the content creator by mentioning their username. Use creativity to craft your description. So for the destination link, you could go ahead and try to add it in here. Then you could add your affiliate links to this product. So this step is which will lead you to your commission. So when users makes the purchase, once you've created your pin, you're just gonna go ahead and try to save it back to your profile. For you to be able to get an organized content, you could create a board on Pinterest. So you could go ahead and click onto the plus button in here and click onto board. So these will align your niche and make sure there are public boards. So you're just gonna go ahead and name your board in here just like pumpkin. So you could go ahead and uncheck this since we need to make your boards public, and then right after, click onto create. So you need to save your pins to the relevant board. So you could go ahead and click some pins as well in here that you want to add into your board. Click onto done, and that's it. You've just set up a Pinterest affiliate marketing system that can generate commissions. So by consistently creating engaging pins and providing value to your audiences, you can steadily grow your Pinterest following and boost your affiliate earnings. So if you think this is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.